What is happening in sports? My name is Robinson Okenye. Now, two-time marathon Olympic champion Eliud Kipchoge now says the 2024 Paris Olympics was tough and competitive. Kipchoge, who was forced to drop off the race due to an injury, has reiterated that he will not hang up his boots yet.
Olympics is not about to win medals. It's about participation. Why do you participate? It's about participation. It's not about you participate fast. You represent your country. You represent your continent. And then you are now compete to earn medals. That's why it's called Olympics. There is all sorts of people there. I will be in Olympics on another capacity, not as an athlete, but on motivating people, on giving hope to Kenyans, to the whole world. Life is about the hope, which it means I need to go back to the drawing board and see what opportunities are there for me to grab.
Now, Moi Education Center kicked off their campaign in the morning.